Hi guys, Jay here again from FEYNLAB, and I'd like to introduce the brand new Overcoat V3. Ultimate top coat built to match the extreme performance of our industry-leading ceramic V3. So if you're looking for slickness, self-cleaning, and best-in-class hydrophobics, you're in the right place. When we released ceramic V3, it set a new standard for hydrophobic and self-cleaning performance. But that meant our old Overcoat V2 just couldn't keep up anymore. So we went back to the lab and we created Overcoat V3. It is a complete reinvention. We took everything we learned from ceramic V3 and applied it here, creating a universal top coat that not only matches, but it enhances the performance of any and all coatings. Here's what makes Overcoat V3 a true game changer. The extreme hydrophobics, where water just slides off, lower slide angle, less water spotting, and a dramatically cleaner surface over time. The self-cleaning power, where dirt and grime just won't stick. Washing becomes easier, faster, and less frequent. It has a super slick finish. Thanks to its ultra low surface energy, your car will feel as smooth as it looks. And its universal compatibility. It works with all of our coatings, our self-healing coatings, and our DIY coatings. It even works as a standalone layer. Effortless application, it's just insanely easy to use. You apply it with a microfiber applicator pad, wipe it clear with a microfiber towel, and just enjoy the gloss. Overcoat V3 doesn't just talk the talk. In real-world use, it keeps vehicles cleaner longer, protects against water spots, and refreshes any existing coating with a slick, high-gloss feel. And if you're maintaining a coating like ceramic V3, this is the perfect maintenance topper to keep those hydrophobic properties at their peak. This is part of our True series, so it is available to enthusiasts as well as our professionals. So whether you're a detailer, a professional, or enthusiast, or you just want your car to look amazing with minimal effort, Overcoat V3 delivers professional grade performance made simple. Like this video? Hit the thumbs up. Got questions or results to share? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more detailing tips and product updates.